Pushkar. I'm one of the founding engineers at SambaNova Systems. Today, I think I'll give a little bit overview of how many of you know what are agents? Okay, a few of you. Okay, so I'll still go. I mean, since it's new concept and it's been there for a while, but I go a little bit of that and then over how you can build agents and applications around that with SambaNova Cloud. Yeah, so when you want to build any systems which need agents and you want to build complex systems with much more responsive, with faster response, you need faster inference. And so that's the need for today's agentic systems. So with this agentic systems, you can build complex reasoning and decomposition experts with large LLMs that are available today. So this is a new paradigm that the industry is moving forward with. Now, this is a slide which is taken from SambaNova.ai, which talks about different levels of agentic automation that you can get in. And the basic level is the data entry and collection and scrapping through the website. So that's one. And as the level increases, you end up building systems which are making decisions, doing complex tasks based on the input from the users, and are deployed in production at the industry. So this is the gradient of cognitive architectures, where we started with, like, there's a few short prompting, like a Q&A, where it's based on reasoning. Something like perplexity comes into mind. Anthropic provides the same APIs. Then, as you go more complex, we have RAG, which is based on which you add external memory, which means that you add domain-specific knowledge to that, and it gives domain-specific answers to the questions that you ask. Then, moving forward, nowadays we have function calling, which basically adds tools to your workloads and to your applications along with the LLMs or any APIs that you use. Next level is basically the agent, which will help you in making decision and be experts at automating multiple processes and make life easier for us. So this is similar 4 points that Andrew and talked about for design patterns, and it basically talks about reflection tools, planning, and then multi-agent collaboration. So moving on, so I just wanted to highlight this. So we started in 2017. We started building AI hardware platform. So we have our own chip. And now we have the full software hardware stack going from cloud towards the bottommost, which is the chip that we run on. So this is the SM40L, that is the latest generation of the chip. It's a data flow architecture, completely different from GPUs, and today you can use that on our SambaNova Cloud. The main highlight here is it has clear data flow memory. So today, if you see, most of the GPUs and the other startups have HBM or SRAMs, but we have a backing DDR as well as a third tier, which gives us capability to host large models as well as multiple models which are needed for agentic systems. And along with the data flow architecture, we are able to switch between those models. So the advantage here is you can have the same 8 billion model or 4 or 5 billion model on the same system. You do not need to go across systems. So it becomes a very interesting proposition for someone who wants GPUs or RDs or any compute, AI compute on their on-prem. So that's the MVP for us. Now, along with this hardware, if you see today, the AI has become a commodity, meaning even the open source models are providing the same level of accuracy. So, now you combine that with the hardware that we have available, it forms a great combination to bring in speed and accuracy together. So this is something that an agentic system will look like, where you have a system that is made up of multiple agents, where each agent is a complex expert, which at the back end is going to make an LLM call. This LLM call, if it's not fast enough, and as you build more complex systems, your output response is going to be very slow. So, for example, here you have some request from the user, it goes to LLM, back from the LLM with some response about what the application is going to process. Then again, a response calls depending on the application. So as you go on, the 5-6 calls will eventually go into seconds. And for that you need speed, so that you can have these systems built and deployed into production. So that's where SambaNova Cloud comes into picture, where we are providing the fastest AI inference today on the lowest power possible. So this is a comparison chart where the 405E, for example, is something that we are providing at 200 tokens per second. It's on one